help us. We want to know, what do we eat first? Do we reach for the top, or do we go in the middle, or do we go at the bottom? Where do we start? Oh, we start at the bottom. Amazing. That's nice to know. So we start with the, what is at the bottom? Ocean class, who knows what's at the bottom of the cake stand?
Sandwich.
It's a sandwich. You're right. It is a sandwich. You see? He's holding it with both hands not to make a mess. And then, do you eat it with a fork?
No.
How do you eat it? Please show me. One bite. I just want to see. We all want to see, right? Do you use a fork? Or do you just hold it with your hand? Oh. One, two, three. Girls, turn around. Again, now start this way. 1, 2, 3, 1. Is it soft? No. It's hard. It's a hard. Okay. What else? You ring it. What do you hear? Sunshine, ring it.
A loud sound.
What do you hear?
Very loud sound.
A very loud. Again. Again. What is this? What's this? Rock. It's wood, right? And what? Plastic? Plastic.
I know it. The
Pass it on.
paper make that with the straw.
They use straw to make paper or wood? Wood. They make. What do you think of this rock? Soft, hard, rough, smooth? Is it
Then it
light?
will be just as big as this one. Okay.
How does it feel? Does it feel heavy?
Now, let's see how
What
much
does it smell like?
weighs.
Brown. And then when we burn it, does it change color? It changes to black. That's what it's like. Yeah. And I don't want it to be this big. Maybe I don't want it to be a rectangle. I want it to be a triangle. So I need to chip off pieces so that it becomes a triangle like this. So I need to chip off this piece, take it out, chip off the other piece, take it out. Then I'm left with a different shape. So you need 4 sticks for the frame, and then the small ones, the ones that are small in size, these are the ones that we need to stick them onto the board because they form our maze, a pathway for our maze, right? They show which way to go. The red line, the middle, but the peat is on this side, which means this one is heavier. See? It moves. Now it's heavier on this side. Did you see? This is heavier, right? Good. Well, do you want to smell it? How does it smell? Come closer. How does it smell? Yeah? No yuck. Does it have a smell or no smell? There's no smell. It's called a cedar. Let's say cedar wood. Cedar wood.
Grace.
Right
Grace.
hand scissors. Left hand scissors. It's
Ready, steady,
2
go.
plus 2 equals 4. Good. Again.
Scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand paper, left hand paper.
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand rock. Left hand paper. What is this? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper. Use it to measure your lines like this. So you measure line number 1. Remember your lines of numbers, right? So you measure line number 1 and then you make a mark of how long. North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Pacific. Out of the 7, where would you like? Where do you think they got that? Sky blue paint. They're not right, she said. May I use the glue? May I stick things on to make a picture? You need a collage. Of course, but you'll have to sit at another table. There's not enough room here, which means there's not enough space on the table. So she had to move to another table because she wanted to use glue and not paint. Do you get from trees? You get bread from trees? Get fruits like apples and what are these? Mangoes. Those are the apples and those are peaches, right? But how do you think because trees can be really tall? And eating with her eyes. Pink rabbit. Right. Blue scum. Donkey. Then open your eyes. Move the blindfold and see. Yay! How many fingers do you see? Has a long bone, right? And then so that's why we are called mammals, because of the backbone. And what other bones do you have? Yeah. Anymore, it doesn't hold itself up. Whereas this one is raw, it's not cooked. It looks leafy, right? It wilts. You crack the egg into a bowl like this, but if they piece the egg, they whisk it. You think this egg was whisked? No, this one. They just crack it into a bowl and they did not whisk it, right? Grandpa these pieces are called tens, right? So there's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 large triangles, a medium triangle, and the 2 small triangles, the orange and the yellow. These are the 2 small triangles. And then there's different shapes, 2 different shapes. That is a green square. It's moving to the side. It's called a parallelogram. And this is a triangle. This is another
big triangle.
This is another big triangle. What happens when I put these triangles together like this, side to side? They form a new shape. This is a new shape. It's like a square. Square board, right? And what shape is this will help you to draw the very same diagram on the small piece of paper. So you can use it, you can take like this, the 2 large triangles, a piece of paper, you can trace them on a piece of paper, and then you take the medium sized one